In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create rotating arrow animations in PowerPoint step by step. This is perfect if you're building presentations, tutorials, explainer slides, or process diagrams, and you want to visually show movement, direction, or flow. The best part is, you don't need any advanced tools or plugins. Everything we're doing is built directly into PowerPoint. Make sure you watch until the end, because I'll also show you how to control the rotation angle, like 90 degrees, 180 degrees, or a full 360-degree spin. And if this tutorial helps you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy PowerPoint tips. Let's get started. First, open your PowerPoint presentation and go to the slide where you want the rotating arrow to appear. Now go to the top menu and click on Insert. From the Insert tab, click on Shapes. You'll see a large drop-down menu with different shape categories. Under the Lines or Block Arrows section, choose the arrow style you prefer. It can be a simple right arrow, a curved arrow, or any arrow that fits your design. Once selected, click and drag on your slide to draw the arrow. Resize and position it exactly where you want it. You can also customize the arrow by going to the Shape Format tab. Here you can change the color, outline, thickness, or even add effects like shadow or glow to make it stand out more. Now that your arrow is ready, click on it once to make sure it's selected. Next, go to the Animations tab at the top of PowerPoint. This is where all animation effects are controlled. In the Animations tab, click on Add Animation. It's important to click Add Animation instead of choosing an effect directly, especially if you plan to layer multiple animations later. After clicking Add Animation, look under the Emphasis Effects section and choose Spin. As soon as you click Spin, you'll see a small animation number appear next to your arrow, indicating that an animation has been applied. At this point, if you run the slideshow, the arrow will already rotate, but let's customize it to control exactly how it spins. To do that, stay in the Animations tab and click on Animation Pane. This will open a panel on the right side of your screen showing your applied animation. In the Animation pane, find the spin effect you just added. Click on the small drop-down arrow next to it, and then choose Effect Options. A new settings window will appear. This is where you control the rotation angle. You'll see a setting for Amount or Rotation. Here you can choose how far the arrow spins. If you select 90 degrees, the arrow will rotate a quarter turn. This is useful for showing a change in direction. If you choose 180 degrees, the arrow will flip halfway around, which works great for reversals or transitions. And if you select 360 degrees, the arrow will complete a full rotation, creating a smooth spinning effect. You can also adjust the duration to make the spin faster or slower. A shorter duration, like 0.5 seconds, makes the rotation quick and snappy, while 2 seconds or more creates a smoother, slower spin. You can even change when the animation starts, such as on click, after previous, or with previous, depending on how you want it to play during your slideshow. Once everything looks good, click OK. Now start your slideshow to preview the effect. Your arrow will rotate exactly according to the settings you chose. And that's it. You've successfully created a rotating arrow animation in PowerPoint. As you can see, it only takes a few clicks to create a professional-looking motion effect that makes your slides more dynamic and engaging. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more PowerPoint animation tutorials and presentation tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.